Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you for stopping by. Today I'm recreating a look that I did for a haul. A lot of people liked it, so I figured it would be fun to just show you how I did it. So keep watching. This look is very simple. I will be starting with my eyes, and I like to use a concealer just to even out my base. So last time I purchased from Sephora, I got two Easy Bake shades from Huda Beauty. Those are like the tiny rewards. Not samples, but I don't know what they're called. But anyway, I have two shades. So I have banana bread and then I have kunafa. So I will go with banana bread. And I will use that to set my eyes. I always wanted to try this setting powder, but I'm a creature of habit. I can't let go of the Laura Mercier. Okay, so I brought you in a little bit closer just so you could see the eyes. I will start with ginger, and then I am going to put ginger as my transition shade. So basically all over my lid except the center. It's basically all over my lid. Okay, so I hope you can actually see the shade on my lid. I feel like the lighting is washing it out a little bit. Okay, so using the same brush, I'm just going to use my Makeup Forever Instant Brush Cleanser. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with edges. And then put edges just around here, this area. And this doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, the shades are so similar. I just want them to look like they're blending in, but no harsh lines. That's all I'm looking for. So ginger is bringing the warmth a little bit more than, sorry, edges is almost like a brick red, like a brown brick red. I don't know if that makes sense, but I want a little bit of warmth. So, see, it looks like I basically have just one shade, but I don't. Same thing on this side. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how it looks. I'm gonna do the same thing again, clean this one. Okay, and then what I want to do, so now this is clean, I just want to clean the outside just a little bit. Just want it to be softer. And then use Supreme, and then that's it. So what I'm doing is just packing Supreme, and then after I'm done my concealer, contour, and whatnot, I will put it in my inner corner. But for now, I'm just going to leave it on my lid. Just like this. And I'm bringing it a little bit over the fold. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'll just blend that in a little bit after, so it's okay. And that's it. So I'll do the same thing for the other eye. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of edges and then dab that right here. I'll go back in with ginger. The eyes are pretty much done. I'll do my complexion and then that's it. To prime my face, I'll use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face base. So that. So when I did this look, I used the NARS Natural Longwear in Macao. And that was 2 bumps of the Natural Longwear. When I'm putting my foundation, I don't like to put it right under my eyes just because I know I'm going to conceal anyway. So the less product I put under my eyes, the better it is, just because I have lines anyway. And it is going to crease no matter what I do. That's why I don't put any foundation under my eyes. I'll go in with the Fenty Beauty number 390. Just a little bit. Okay, then I go in with the LA Pro Girl. To brighten my under eye, I'm adding Custard, which is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer from NARS, and then mixing that with Fawn. Just a little bit. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And I like to set it right away, and I use the translucent honey, and then I just press it in, and I'm just setting. I'm gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown foundation stick in Espresso, and I'm putting just a little bit. Right here. And I also like to go in, take a little bit on the brush, right there. That's all I do. and then blend that. See, just a little bit. I don't want it to be too much, just because I'm going to bronze as well. The MAC Mineralize. The Guerlain Terracotta. So for the NARS Taj Mahal, just a little bit. I'm going to use a spoolie, clean it up. For my brows, I'm alternating between the Urban Decay Brow Blade in Dark Drapes and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony. I'll go back in with ginger. And then edges only on the outer part, just on the outer part. Just add Supreme. So that is it for the eyes. I'm just going to set my face, and I'll use the Urban Decay All Nighter, but I don't want to wet my eyes, so just my hair. For the lips, I'm starting with the MAC lipstick in Photo. Mademoiselle Up to No Good. Then I'll go with Baby Groot. My finger. like a little bit more. And that's it for the lips. So I'm gonna do my lashes and then come back. That is all for today. The look is pretty simple. Now, if you don't have this palette, you can always use the shades that you have. So what you need, so ginger is like an orange brown. So you need an orange brown, and then you need like a brown, more like a brick red brown, which is edges, and then you need like a hot pink, which is supreme, but not neon pink, right? So as long as you have similar shades like the ones from this palette, you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.